Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Excel Basics. So in this video we will learn about how to do formatting on our Excel sheet. So basically we will learn about the features like bold, change the font size, change the font type, changing of the background colors, underline, border, italic, strike through, subscript and superscript, and most importantly how to do auto format on your Excel worksheet. So now let's start with our first feature, that is bold. So most of the format features comes under home tab. So I will just in this example I want to change my headings to from normal to bold. So I'll just select this cells and click B in the home tab and it becomes bold, and I want it italic too and make it underline. So this is how uh, do bold, italic and underline. And as you can see, these cells are not looking good with by underlining these headings. So I will just remove it by clicking again on the U in home tab. So it is gone. So this is how we can do that. And now coming to the how to change the font size. So it is simple. This is the font size option, and we have already selected this the cells for which I want to make change, and I click here. I can choose what size I want for these cells. As these are the headings, I want them more than um, a little more than the normal cells like sales and expenses. So yeah, it was 11, so I will make it 13. And 13 option is not here, so what I can do is I can just type 13 and select. So this is how we can change the size of our font. And to change the font type, we have our options here, and these are 100 of the options you can get from this list, to which you can change your font type. Botany, empty black, book antique. So, but most of the offices, you may be using Calibri or Arial. So I'll just choose it to Arial. And now how to make border around the cells we have. So for example, I have this table and I have this table and I have this table also. But these are not looking quite different from each other. I want to make sure that anyone who will be seeing this data can identify the and differentiate between these tables. So what I will do, I will just make a border around them. Like these are the absolute numbers. I select them and choose all borders. So it will give the all borders around the data around the table for which I want to differentiate. And now coming to this table, this data, that is the percentage change, I will make again one more border. That's all border. There are many other options too. If I just want to add a bottom border, it will just work like this. It just add borders on our bottom. And now other options we have here, make it a right border, left border, top border only, or make a thick outside border. You see, this is a thick border. That's width is much more than the normal borders we get from this feature. And then uh, we can also draw some more borders. Uh, it also provide us options for that. Drawing a particular border. For example, I don't want to add borders on each and every cell. I just want it on one cell, one or two cells or three cells here. and I will just use row and give border according to my requirement, and then press escape. But I don't want this now. I just want an all border thing. So I'll select all these cells, go to home, and now click all borders. Like here too, I will do the same. Click all borders now. So another thing I want in this and in this data, I want to give a I want to change the background colors of the headings, and headings are on the column. I want to change it to sky blue, and the headings on rows, I want to change it to orange. So again, uh, in this one too, and in this one's too, I want the same color. Like this, I can do that and prepare more attractive data, uh, and for the help of the users to um, not get bored every time by the just normal numbers. So these are more attractive, and it will be good if whenever someone will look at these figures now. And now coming to the thing we have next in our topic, that is strike through, subscript and superscript. So for these features, what you can use, um, you must use the shortcut Control plus 1. So when you click this on your keyboard, Control plus 1, you will get options in the font tab here, and you will get the options to uh, strike through, subscript and superscript. How it works, like it's written here, E equals to MC square. I want to mimic this again. E equals to MC square, and that means 2. But see, you can see here that I want to get the 2 on the above, but it's just normally writing of 2, which is not what I want. So what I will do, I will just select this 2 that I have written, select it, and click Control plus 1, and click subscript. So I'm in superscript, and click OK and press enter. Now you can see here I get E equals to MC square, and it is written as square, not as 2 as before. And coming to H2O, H2O. Uh, Now we can see here that 2 must be on bottom, but it is not showing as it should be. So I will again click Control plus 1, choose subscript, and press OK and press enter. So this is how we can use superscript and uh, yeah subscript. And for the strike through option, you can just use this to cut anything that we want, that we required. And this is how we can do that. We can do these things. And now our was one thing that with the control 1 feature, you'll get all the options to format your cells, like number, alignment, its font, change its borders, change the fill color, and numbers, change the format of the figures. I haven't tell you about this currently. You can get access to these features by two types, by just coming to Control plus 1 and number. What it will do, it will be like, just a minute. For example, I just write 100 here, and I want to change its format from general to number, as it is a number. So it has written it as number, and I want to change it to currency. For example, rupees. So it has taken as rupees. And text, we can change it to text, time, date, and every date has a number. So if I select any date format, it will show me as the date that it is related to. For example, 100 is equals to 9th of April 1900. This is how you can do that from Control+1, and from our home tab you can change it from here. You get all those options here too, and more for more number format you will just come here. So now coming to our last feature, that is most important one, and that is here to uh, give ease to your formatting and really save your time. That is auto format. So for example, you don't want to change the formats of your tables every time, and it because it could be quite time consuming if there are uh, many tables that you want to change the format for. So in that case you can use auto format, and its feature will be coming in your quick access toolbar. It is not here yet, so we have to add it first. So that will be just one time thing when you will be adding that tool, and when it is added, you don't have to do it again and again. You will get that feature from there only. So as you see, I have gone through. Just let me repeat it now. Go to File, More, Options, and now click Quick Access Toolbar. And now there are commands list, and you will go to commands that are not in the ribbon, and now find auto format. Click this and add it to your quick access toolbar and press click. OK. Now select the area you want to change its format. I selected this, and now I will select auto format option and choose the format that I want to change it for, and find any attractive table you want it to be changed. Like this I found quite attractive. Just click here and press OK. Now you see, it is so easy in this case because we don't have to change its size, change its format, or change its or give its borders, and anything. We didn't have to bold it or anything. It automatically provides me the quite a quite a good and quite attractive table with format. And yeah, that is it for today. And if you have any queries, you can put those queries in your comment box. And yeah, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are struggling with Excel. So yeah, happy learning. Bye.